Hi guys, in this video we will see how to sign out from your Microsoft account. If you want to sign out from Microsoft account in your Windows 11 system, there are two ways to sign out from Microsoft account. The first one is click on start button and here click on your profile icon from the bottom of the page, and here a pop-up window will appear and here you will sign out from Microsoft account. Click on sign out and you will successfully sign out from your Microsoft account. The second way to sign out from Microsoft account is launch your Google Chrome browser and here in search field type login.live.com login.live.com and it will open your Microsoft account page. Here Microsoft, from the top right corner you will find your profile icon. Click on it and here you can also sign out from here. So there are two ways to sign out from your Microsoft account. The first one is directly through a start button and the second one is through your browser. So you signed out of your account successfully. That's all.